So Gaurav, how does CryptoBind KMS plug into these environments? If you could also explain this one.
Sure. Integration is actually one of the strongest suits. So JISA has this as a strong point. So the primary protocol we use is KMIP, which is the Key Management Interoperability Protocol. So it is an OSS standard, which means it is supported by hundreds of databases and applications which are out of the world, right? So when you deploy CryptoBind KMS, so databases like Oracle, MS SQL, MySQL, and EDB Postgres, MongoDB, then IBM DB2. All these can connect to the KMS over KMS. Then one more thing, PKCS 11 or EKM interfaces. So that's very easy to connect with our application. Talking about transparent data encryption specifically, so think of Oracle TD or SQL Server TD. So the database simply points to CryptoBind KMS as an external key manager. So the encryption keys are stored and managed in KMS, and it is not stored in the database file itself. So this is a no-code change for most of the standard database configurations. So beyond databases, we also support VMware like vSphere. So we support it through our KML for the VM encryption or the virtual machine encryption. So we integrate with the big data platforms like Cloudera, so which is what we deployed for RBI's PCR public credit registry also. That was the project we did with RBI Bank. We also have REST API support for the application level or integration, application level integration, like and the PKCS 11 we use for the cryptographic libraries. And for the cloud, we integrate with AWS KMS Cloud in BYOK mode. Then apart from that, Azure Key Vault, Google Cloud KMS, and the Power BI also, we use BYOK as well, using BYOK thing also.